Hi everyone! It's eating time for me. This will be my first heavy meal for today. And I have this kamote, dilagang kamote. And I have this Baguio beans, my carrots, bell pepper. Ginisa ko lang yan sa oyster sauce at saka maraming bawang and sibuyas. So, that is the way that I am doing my food. Walang mga SM, ah, MSG, hindi ako naglalagay ng ganyan. So, naglagay lang ako ng konting light soy sauce at saka dark soy sauce kasi oysters is medyo na siya maalat. So, hindi yan And of course, mag-tea ako ngayon, not coffee. Tea ako ngayon, it's a green tea. A combination of green tea and a black tea yung nabili ko. And I tried it. Okay naman siya. So far, so good. So, ayan. Samahan nyo ko. I just finished my thing, no? Yung mga ginagawa ko. Zoom. Nagbihis ako agad kasi kakain ako. And I have lots of things to do. Of course, I have water. I always have my water. So, from the time na gising ako, 4 a.m., umiinom po ako ng warm water. Warm tap water muna at 4 a.m. And then ginagawa ko yung meditation ko. And sometimes nakakatulog ako ulit. But bumabangon ako ng 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Yan. But mostly pag antok pa ako. Pero pag hindi na 4:30 nag-start na ako mag-work dito. So ayan, samahan niyo kong kumain. Thank you so much.